Hello, welcome back to my project. Welcome back to my tutorial, and now we have the .NET Core 6 Web API tutorial, and I already created and developed the .NET backend project which I use in my company. So, and now you can follow this step to create a .NET Web API backend project. And right now I can close this, go to Visual Studio, then you can create the new and click API and continue. But in this case I already created and developed a, project backend application using .NET Core for Web API tutorial. And click to here it's already created. And I also downloaded some kind of needed libraries and tools for running this application. You can see inside the NuGet and inside the framework it has two framework, and it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 10 NuGet. It's included the MySQL connector, MySQL data, Pomelo, MySQL entity core, framework core. Those used to connect it and work with MySQL database. Bcrypt is also used in this case for encrypting the password hash when a new user is sign up. Okay, and come to the app setting documentation. It will include some database information and database password which is used to connect to the MySQL database which I created in the MySQL tutorial before. With the board database, the name of database, the user name of database which is root, and the password is 290320005, which is my girlfriend's birthday. Okay, and now you also can see on up the folder here is very similar to the uh, to the to the modules is included in the Java Spring Boot, because .NET and Spring Boot had the very similar relationship. Like controller, DAO extension is just contain HTTP context extension. and and moreover in the models is contain the company's model and company catalog context. Company catalog context, which is the most popular and important DB context, which is used to interact with database directly. And moreover it's used through the project, like you can see here everywhere. I also can use this to interact with database, especially in the repository Mondo. It's also will contain the booking data context here. Okay, and the company repository is used to handle the data from the company model, and it will be it will be use the DB context to interact directly with the database by like file async with company ID and list on company with this syntax to list async and some kind of need this function save a new company's size trans company such as async companies uh, used to say the updated and deleted company when some companies is uh, deleted or updated. Mm-hmm. Okay, and come to company repositories. This is just a interface of company repositories. It contains the um, on of the function which is used in company's repository, and also include the return value response will be response and the and also including the parameter which is compassed into each function. And the service here just is is have the is have a big different with the Java Spring Boot backend project. In this .NET project, the service is not responsible for the main function, which is used to handle the data data from on of the API endpoints. It just use the function which is created before in the repository in the repository function, like it's called the company repository update company get company by ID, get on companies and delete company, and moreover is you have to authorize the company repository into this service because it's very important. You can if you didn't authorize it cannot it can't work successful. Okay, this is also the another interface which used to contain all the function of the company service. It's very similar to interface company's repository. And the last one is Kubernetes controller is also very equivalent to uh, Kubernetes Kubernetes controller in Java Spring Boot project. It also had a bit it just has a big difference. Things like HTTPS will be put at the head of this function of each function like this, and on of the left things is the same. Okay, and right now I can try to run it for you to follow how to test API with this. It will be generate automatically to mm, the new website like Swagger UI. This is beside Postman. Swagger is also very popular and common for developers to test API in the backend project, and but I think Postman Postman will be better. And now you can test the at first you can test the list on companies from database here, which include two API of two companies which are created in the MySQL tutorial. And as you see here, I can show you two companies is um, corresponding with the with the data from database is in my database here currently it also has two companies. Okay, it's true, and I can get one, and I can type the ID here. The ID must be can be two, and I can get the the second companies in the database. And I can delete, try to delete on two, and then it will be success. Uh, it have the status success with the code 200 is the same with moments. Okay, and right now I can try to execute again. It's a set, but it's not it didn't sorry, it doesn't respond any value here, just the blank value because I already deleted it. Okay, and now I think you can follow step by step of this tutorial. You can create your own project for you, and you can see the shortcuts below the description which I created on my YouTube channel. And thank you for your listening, and see you on next tutorial. And next tutorial is also the last tutorial I can create it for this project. Thank you. Thanks a lot.